Over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amavenzo TV, the Petro Premiership, Orlando Pirates 2, Orbit 0. I'm joined by Usiya.
Yes, Tibo, Autiam Kunjan.
Yeah, sure.
Sharp Autiam. First of all, Autiami, let's congratulate Autiami, the biggest institution for it in African football, which is Orlando Pirates Football Club, Autiam. No, we've witnessed history today, Autiam. I'm happy. As a supporter, I think I've been a supporter of this gallant club for over 3 decades. I started supporting this club at the age of 4. So Stibo, the boys played well, very well, Stibo. You know, last week there were complaints amongst supporters. Why you coach Afilda or Selepe, but Selepe played well.
Very well.
You know, we just need to understand in football, Stibo. We win some, we lose some, we draw some. You understand? Let's not break the boys. We understand some were questioning the stage. We understand it's a high intensity game. But the boy played well. Umariko, they were complaining why they are subbing in Umariko. Mariko played well. You understand? The team played well. It was just not meant to be. Today, the football coach today answered our prayers. We didn't have to do the work. We just had to play our normal football. And Orbit decided to score 2 for us. It's rare. You understand? So another thing is Tibo. Pirates Maitati League is Tibo. It takes it on the last day. We've seen it 2010, 2011. Uchansa Shai screamer outside the box. We've seen it 2011, 2012. Upeni, Aros was leading us to 1. Mahuta, Upeni Washaya 2 goals. We won 4-2. You understand? So we just need to be patient. Lastly, Stibo, we need to give credit to Jose Riveros.
Yeah, we must.
Jose Riveros Tibo laid a great foundation for Abdeslam Wadu. Abdeslam Wadu just took it a bar up.
Next level.
A bar up, Tibo. Because in my experience of supporting Orlando Pirates, I've never seen a coach that comes in and wins a triple in his first season. No, it's rare. I remember there were Costa Papik who were playing beautiful football. Yeah, Mara Agazangwa Tatane. You understand? Was root crawl. Nah, it took him some time. Utatati triple. So Abdeslam Wadu. First season. I'm happy. It shows with him in his previous career. He was a defender and a solid one. Because looking at the clean sheets. Looking at how we marshal our defense, looking at the organization, the leadership of Upodlela Insizwa. Lambona CM. Whether we have Undaba or we have Hoto, whether we have Ulibits or Umamosha, you understand? That defense, it's solid. So, I plead with our supporters with coach has proven himself. Coach is a good coach. But sometimes you know you are new to the team. You need to adjust the culture, how you work. You understand? You need to adjust to those things. So let's give coach a chance. He has proven to us that you are going to be happy. You understand? What I like in Gutinyalo, Pirates has made itself attractable to quality players. Every player in South African football today wants to play for Pirates because they understand that Pirates is a ticket to Bafana. Pirates is a ticket to overseas deals. So the coming season we are going to sign quality players, and all of them they must come because our police they are going to Europe. They are going to Europe. They are going. That boy is going to Europe. You understand? So it's opening a door for a lot of youngsters to come in.
And local players.
You know, Pirates idila nge-development yabona ikulandela abantu ongabacabanga you understand exactly so that door I'm happy ukuthi that door is opening still you understand I'm just giving amajita a chance out here okay singakhuluma kushonilanga kuse out here
Prastivo ari reso wa hipola video mara
ni re loftas ka montle
wa hipola video e mara
Lo fetsa ko mbombela Mauruga mo di commenting yebo wa bona ntweo
a ke bua holo
o ba gopotsa ntwe e chilo yebo loftas ka mbombela abrache wishi lo brache yeah one not
evidence makho faka
galebo brache
akusabulela ke lebo Stivo ufana githi ya World Cup umfana o represent umfana oh